Okay guys, welcome once again to FD Math Solution channel. This time we are taking a question in mensuration. So let's go through the question together. The length and width of a rectangle are in the ratio 5:2 respectively. If the perimeter of the rectangle is 70 centimeters, calculate the area of the rectangle. Okay, so first let's draw our rectangle to guide us. So a rectangle is a four-sided figure with two opposite sides being equal. So this is a sketch of our rectangle. This side is equal to this side, and then this side is equal to this side. So this is our length, this is our width. Here is also length, here is width. Okay, so from the question we have been given that the length and the width are in the ratio 5:2. So we can write the expression for it. So the ratio of the length, so L is 2, W is equal to 5:2. So we can change the ratio to a common fraction to get L over W is equal to 5/2. So from here we can cross multiply to get our 2L to be equal to 5W. So we can make L the subject over here. So making L the subject, we divide both sides by 2. This is our L over 2. So that our L is equal to 5/2W. Let's call this as equation 1. Okay, so we've gotten our first equation from the initial information given to us in the question, which is about the ratio of the length to the width. Okay, so now let's take the second part. If the perimeter of the rectangle is 70 centimeters, so perimeter of the rectangle simply means the distance around the rectangle. So if we add all the sizes of the rectangle, they should give us the perimeter, which is what? 70 centimeters. So you can write that perimeter P is equal to the length, so this length plus this W plus this length plus this W plus W plus length plus W. So this will add to give you perimeter to be equal to, so length plus length will give you 2 of the length plus W plus W2 will give you 2 of the W, right? Okay, so now we've gotten the formula for the perimeter, which is P is equal to 2 of the length plus twice the width. But we've already gotten the length, so you can write, but our length is equal to 5/2W from equation 1. And also we have been given the perimeter from the question. So the question stated that the perimeter is 70 centimeters. Okay, so if you are doing the substitution, we are going to get 70 is equal to 2. So instead of writing L, I'll write this expression into the equation. So 2 times 5/2W plus my 2W. Okay, so since this one is this numerator, this one is a denominator, you can cancel themselves, and then we have 70 to be equal to 5W plus 2W. So this one simplifies to 70 is equal to 7W. So So to get W, what do? We divide both sides by 7 over 7. So that our W will be equal to 10 centimeters. Okay, so now we've gotten our weight, right? So by here we have been asked to find the area of the rectangle, and before you can get the area, we need both the width and the length. So now let's put the width into equation 1 to help us find the length. So equation 1, we have L is equal to 5 over 2 W. So given that our W is equal to 10, when you substitute, we are going to get L to be equal to 5 over 2 times 10. So 2 cancel 1, so cancel here 5. I have that your L is equal to 5 times 5 is what? 25 centimeters. Okay, so now we've gotten our length. We also know our width, right? So to find the area of a rectangle is given by the length times the width, right? So here our area will be equal to, our length is 25 times our width is what? 10. So in simple terms, our area is equal to 250 centimeters squared. So we are done. Thank you. Don't forget to like the page, share it to your friends and colleagues, and see you next time.